Coming at you with a little side beard whatever day. We're going to be talking about your health today. I know you don't want to do it, and if your doctor's anything like mine, she doesn't talk about your health either. So, she really doesn't. We're going to be making up a drink today. This is a glass. I just got it. Look at that. Read that. Vintage 1980. That was over 40 years ago, or 40 years ago, however you want to look at it. And there comes the sun. There comes the sun, little. We're going to keep this one real short. I don't know if you know this. Actually, I don't know if it's picking up my voice if I'm not looking at the camera, but we're going to find out. But maybe we don't want to find out. I don't know. Do we? I don't know. So, maybe we don't. Yeah, we probably don't. All right. So, I went on a health quest for about 10 years. I've been eating really sloppy lately. I don't know about you, but I like some comfort food every day, all day long, and I've been overeating too. But when I was really in the thrills of it, I knew how to diet. I knew how to eat well. I did all the research, the digging through journals, online journals, the ones that come in little short snippets from Instagram, or even more than that, I don't know. Did you know your personal trainer at the gym, all they have to do to become a personal trainer is to take a test? They don't even have to go to school for it. So, I could know as much as a personal trainer, and I do, and even more, possibly. Let me just put a picture of myself real quick, just in case you haven't scrolled through my Instagram in a while. Boom! That was a little too dramatic, I know. Yeah, I've lost 50 pounds, gained back 40, dropped another 50, gained that back. I've lost 90 pounds, and I've gained a lot of it back. You can even go back a few months and my face is skinnier, but it's all going to change. I'm going to get healthier because that's what I do. So, how do you get healthy? This was supposed to be a short video. Cut out the sugar. If you just stop drinking sugary drinks, you could lose up to 15 pounds a year. Well, what does that mean? Does that mean you're forced to drink water? No! But if you had cold water in your fridge, you're more likely to grab it. If you had a cool mug with a straw in it, you're more likely to drink it. If you actually do some exercise, water actually tastes good. But I'm not here to sell you on water. I'm here to sell you on Crystal Light. So, dieters know this is a sugar-free, sweet tasting drink. You add it to your bottle of water and it tastes like juice without the sugar. Actually, it's 5 calories. Maybe it has like a little bit of sugar. Does it have all the crazy chemicals that Diet Coke has? Possibly. But not all. You know, Coke, the guy I train with, he calls Coke poison. He calls soda poison. He says if you're going to go to McDonald's, at least buy a coffee and skip the Coke. So, what do? You're like, but I really like soda. That's my weakness. That's my comfort. I work hard. I just want one can of soda. Stop it. I know, I like soda too. I can't. I'm a hypocrite. Anyways, so this tastes really good. It is caffeine free. Won't keep you up at night. I know I have that problem. If you saw me, I was on Instagram like 5 a.m. this morning. Even, actually like 4 a.m. I saw Motivation. He was in the gym. 4 a.m., 5 a.m. I don't know. This caffeine free, sugar free, those are both pluses, possibly, but it doesn't have that sparkle. It doesn't have that sparkle. Here's where this comes in. Seltzer. Some of you guys might say Seltzer tastes like, and you wouldn't be wrong. You can build up to it. You can get used to it. So anyways, listen. If you like soda, you already love that sound. Pour. Not very exciting. This is a mixed tip. Corey, drop your name in the comments. You do that with your creamer and your coffee. Watch this. I just started this week. Put this stuff in. I wish it didn't have the dyes. I mean, we really don't need the dyes to enjoy that. Look at that. Look at that magic. Add more in. A can. should fit in this glass perfectly. Those bubbles are just chewing up that powder. And at the end of the day, they will mix it away for you for free. So I'll just drop some real quick stuff here at the end. I had my eyes closed to it until I saw this chart. Take a look at some kid's science project that he did, probably in his 8th grade, and hopefully he got a passing grade. Boom, right here. Look how much sugar is at the right end of this picture. Lots. Look at this, real quick. I didn't even have to mix. This is sweet. It's bubbly. It's like really good. Also, I like to drink Propel, made by Gatorade. It is caffeine free, dye free, sugar free. And if you're in the gym doing cardio, which I don't know why you'd want to be doing it there, but maybe, who knows? I'm not going to judge you. I'm not going to be like Planet Fitness and judge. Yeah, this is good. That is good. And hopefully my beard looks sweet still. That works. That works for you. Is good. What else is sugar free? Not too much. Not too many other things. Juice? You think you're getting healthy with that orange juice? You're not. Stop it. So, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Did you learn anything today? I think you did. I think you did. I know I did. This is like something I just started to do. Did you know that sugar's in peanut butter? Did you know there's sugar in milk? Did you know that there's sugar in pretty much everything? All right, guys, have a good day. Share this with your grandma. Is she in a walker because she's put on a little bit extra weight? Share this, help her out. Give her the gift of life again. Let her hang out with you at the park. All right, guys, bye.